Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you another 20 legal GK questions. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. My first question is लोकसभा की सीट्स को अलॉट करने का क्या क्राइटेरिया है? Seats of लोकसभा are allotted in the state on the basis of population. My next question is elections dispute कहाँ हियर किए जाते हैं? Dispute related to the election is heard by the Supreme Court and High Court. My next question is state की executive power किसके पास है? Executive power of the state is vested to the governor. मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन है यूनियन की एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर किसके पास है? एग्जीक्यूटिव पावर ऑफ द यूनियन इज वेस्टेड टू द प्रेसिडेंट. माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन प्रोसिक्यूशन अंडर इंडियन पेनल कोड कैन ब्रोट द केस. Prosecution under Indian Penal Code can brought the case at any time after the commission of an offense. क्या right to education एक fundamental right है? Yes, right to education is the fundamental right. मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन है क्या right to work एक fundamental right है? No, right to work is not a fundamental right. Do you know? Citizenship Amendment Act of 2003 provides for the dual citizenship to the people of Indian origin in 16 specified countries, and Citizenship Amendment Act 2005 recognize the overseas the citizenship. Citizenship Amendment Act 2003 provide करता है dual citizenship को with 16 specified countries only. And Citizenship Amendment Act 2005 recognize the overseas citizenship. क्या आपको पता है? Candidates for contesting Lok Sabha seats and state assemblies have to declare his assets, antecedents, education qualification and previous nominations also. My next question is, where is the accused below 18 years can be tried? Accused below the age of 18 years can be tried under Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. My next question is, which article define law declared by the Supreme Court is binding upon all the courts in India? Article 141 of the Constitution of India. Unlawful assembly क्या होती है? Unlawful assembly is the association of 5 or more persons pursuing for the common object of doing or inspiring a crime. My next question is, what is separation of power? Separation of power is the system where the state organs like executive, judiciary, legislative are separate from each other. My next question is, what do you think? Right to life mean like a animal existence? No, right to life not mean like a animal existence. My next question is, where the post of Deputy Prime Minister provided in Constitution of India? No, post of Deputy Prime Minister is not provided in Constitution of India. मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन है, what is the punishment for providing, manufacturing, selling or dealing with the drugs? Punishment for manufacturing, selling or dealing with drugs is death sentence. Do you know? In Keshavananda Bharati case, Supreme Court held that preamble of Constitution is its basic structure. My next question is, who is deponent? Deponent is a person who makes an affidavit. My next question is, who gives the clemency of capital punishment? Clemency of capital punishment is granted by the President of India. My last question is, what is warrant case? Warrant case denotes a case relating to an offense punishable with death, imprisonment for life, or imprisonment exceeding 2 years. Thank you. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel.